If you think Audi is only about luxury, speed, and beautiful interiors, think again. Because behind the badge is something most people underestimate: long-term reliability. And today, you're about to discover 9 Audi models so dependable, so well-engineered that owners easily push them past 200,000 miles. Sometimes even 300,000. These are the Audi machines built to last forever, if you know which ones to choose. Let's start with a legend, Umbrindek Andach Ard. This is the car that made people say, wait, Audi can be reliable. The B8 A4 uses the updated EA8888 engine, much more durable than earlier versions. It's known for smooth power delivery, a rock-solid transmission, and exceptional build quality. Owners report crossing 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. If you want a safe, stylish daily driver that won't drain your wallet, this is the one. The Q7 A6 is one of the most respected luxury sedans Audi ever made. The 3.0 TFSI engine is practically bulletproof, and the car is loaded with tech that still feels modern today. The Quattro system gives it incredible balance, and the interior is built like a tank. Many owners call it the best long-term Audi ever. If reliability is what you want in an SUV, the first-gen Q5 is your best friend. Its 3.2 V6 and 2.0 TFSI engines have proven extremely durable. The ride quality is smooth, the cabin is quiet, and the suspension holds up well even at high mileage. It's the perfect family-friendly Audi that rarely gives serious issues. This one surprises a lot of people. The Audi TT is more than a stylish coupe. It's one of Audi's most trouble-free models. The lightweight design, simple drivetrain options, and the reliable 2.0 TFSI engine make it a long-lasting option. Owners regularly praise it for having, sports car looks without sports car problems. If you want an Audi that sips fuel, handles great, and lasts a long time, the A3 is the champ. The MQB platform is one of the most reliable in the world, shared with Volkswagen. The 1.8 and 2.0 TFSI engines are durable, easy to maintain, and have low failure rates. It's the perfect first Audi, especially for budget-conscious buyers. The first-gen facelift Q7 is a beast. This thing was over-engineered, thick suspension components, strong gearboxes, and engines that age gracefully. Whether you pick the 3.0 TDI or the 3.0 T, both are capable of high mileage with proper care. Owners often say the Q7 drives like it weighs more than it should, because it does, and that's exactly why it lasts. Beautiful, practical, and surprisingly reliable, the A5 Sportback is a long-term winner. The 2.0 TFSI engine in this generation is far more refined, and the interior materials barely age. It's a favorite among high-mileage commuters because it feels luxurious even after years of use. Now this is where things get spicy. Most people think performance cars can't be reliable, but the B7 RS4 proves them wrong. The naturally aspirated 4.2 V8 is one of Audi's strongest engines ever. If maintained, this engine will outlive the car. It's a high-performance monster with the durability of a daily driver. This compact SUV has one job: be dependable, and it absolutely nails it. The Q3 uses time-tested Audi engines and has very few known weak points. The small size, efficient drivetrain, and strong build quality make it a long-term companion for families and city drivers. So what do all these Audi models have in common? They were built during Audi's most stable engineering years, the period when quality control and reliability surged. Owners worldwide report high satisfaction, low maintenance headaches, and engines that keep going for decades. If you're planning to buy a used Audi, these 9 models are your safest bet. Choose one of them, maintain it well, and you'll have a luxury machine that delivers performance, comfort, and reliability for years, maybe even forever. If you found this list helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below which Audi you think deserves the top spot. More car buying secrets and reliability guides are on the way. Don't miss them.